tornado is visible. Before taking cover, it will be delayed. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m.
We may have to review the footage later. I wasn't looking in that area. This is where we got stuck in the head of the beast last time. Power flag. See that? Power flag right there. North of me. I had the camera up. Alright, let's see. I saw the power flag. Let's get it. Remember last time we established the camera had a better view than we did. Yeah, but I put a lot of rain underneath. Holy crap! We're gonna find the tomatoes. If it kills us. No, come on, people, don't stop. Not stop, people. Do not stop. There's a stalled car. People stop, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got multiple downtown. There's no reason to use that one, so. Once that was used, that one's going to crash. Right now it's tracking southeast. There's no way we're getting into that one, so. We're going to find a way. We're not focused on what we have right now. That one comes northeast. We're going after that one. Multiple GPS in the Hill County. Tracking southeast, approximately way too many southwest jet. I don't have any tracking information on the show we're watching. Come on, Harp, please get out the way. Come on. Let's get in front of them, let them see the storm chaser, storm spotter. No, 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 no. I'm not seeing any more power flashes, dude.
Look on GR2.
Colleyville.
Look on GR2.
Alright, you want to take the camera?